Hello, thank you so much for joining me. It's Jen. This is Nona. She's sort of helping, sort of in the way, but we'll let her hang out. This is a brief tutorial on how to transfer weight from your feet to your hands. So you're going to begin in a figure four position. This figure four position is great because you've got leverage with the foot that's bent. You can really press into it. My left foot is forward, my left foot is forward and my right knee is out to the side. So I'm going to rotate myself to the right to transfer my weight. I'm going to kind of come off this mat because it doesn't feel super great on my hands. I'm going to rotate to the right. I'm going to press into this left foot and I'm going to be up in a standing position. So let's try that again. Then we'll talk about how to get back down to this. So I'm here. I'm simply rotating around. I lead with my breastbone. My breastbone initiates the rotation, but you could also play with initiating the rotation with your pubic bone. See what works best for you. The pubic bone might be a little zippier, especially if you don't have a dog in the way. Hi, Miss Nona. And then you'll come up into a standing position. All right. So if we want to come back down, it's pretty similar. Let me see if I can face the other way. Maybe I'll have a little more room without Miss Nona. Nope, she wants to be right there. Okay. Well, I'm rotating myself. Again, remember I said I rotate with my breastbone. You could also do your pubic bone. Rotate myself to, there we go, to the left. I come up. I'm going to land on this right foot. I'm going to tuck this left heel behind and slide back down into a seated position. So if I do that a little bit faster, if I'm going up to down, I'm going to be here. I'm going to rotate around. I'm going to come up. Boom, boom. Give that a try. See how it goes. This is just a playful exploration of weight transfer. As always, if you have any thoughts, comments, anything of that sort, drop them in the comments. And if you found this useful, please, please, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.